So our beekeeper Nicole here is up on the ladder, and she's got just a plastic bucket where she's going to basically wiggle the hive off. Oh my God, into the bucket. Brave woman. And she's gonna try to get the bulk of the hive into that bucket. And they're in there protecting the queen. And now she's going to put them into basically a bee condo. Oh wow, check that out. So there's the hive. Wow. They're not happy. And then she's going to leave that hive there until evening. And apparently the scout bees will come back. And the other bees that are protecting the queen, they'll all come back at nightfall. And she'll be able to return and take the box when all the bees are in the condo. Pretty cool. She's gonna go get the rest of it. Make sure she got the queen.